How's everybody doing today? I certainly hope you're doing well. Well, today I'd like to report to you that the artificial intelligence that is under XAI, the LLM, which is the large language model of a intelligence bot, so to speak, for X.com, called GROK. GROK is admitting that the United States did not land on the moon. Now let's see how we got there, shall we? The question was asked, in other words, the input for GROK was, what is the exact coordinates of where the American flag was put on the moon? Let's go ahead and see what it says. The exact coordinates of where the American flag was planted on the moon depend on the specific Apollo missions, as multiple flags were placed during the Apollo program. It goes on to say, Apollo 11, July 20th, 1969, Sea of Tranquility. Coordinates 0.67408 degrees north, 23.47297 degrees east. So let's go ahead and grab just the coordinates. And let's put that into a search through Google. Let's see what Google says. Let's go ahead and move this over here. Now, Google says Apollo 11 site, and that says, according to Davis Colvin 2000, the precise coordinates in which the lunar module landed are 0.67408 north, 23.47297 degrees east. Okay, so just to make sure that we got that right, let's go ahead and move it up, which is right here. So you can match it up and see that this is the exact number as this. So Google has acknowledged that these coordinates have something very much to do with the lunar mission called Apollo 11. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, or some crap like that, right? Sure. Try not to step in the biggest pile of moon poo, okay? So let's go ahead and hit the back button, shall we? And go back to GROK. Let's do that. Waiting for it to go back. Going to refresh GROK. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place the coordinates that were acknowledged by Google as being the lunar Apollo 11 landing, and let's see what happens next. The coordinates 0.67408 degrees north, 23.47297 degrees east, point to a location in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but Congo is located in Africa. You got that? So these coordinates were first obtained by GROK and acknowledged that these coordinates had everything to do with the lunar landing of Apollo 11. The same coordinates were put into a Google search, just the coordinates. And Google also maintained and confirmed that, according to them, that those coordinates have everything to do with the lunar landing, Apollo 11. However, when you come back to GROK, now it's saying that those coordinates have something to do with the Democratic Republic of Congo. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States in 1969, July 20th, landed in Africa. Bravo! I'm Montagraph, and if you can't speak freely, you're simply not free. Please chime in.